Welcome to the learning resource on setting up cyber cafe and documentation center as a small business. In this presentation, we will cover some of the technical details of cyber cafe and documentation center business. Now, firstly, you should know that what is a cyber cafe and documentation center, how the term cyber cafe is defined. As we go through the provisions of the Information Technology Act of India, the term cyber cafe means any facility from where access to the internet is offered by any person in the ordinary course of business to the members of the public. Cyber cafe is a facility comprising of computers, internet connection, and other computing resources. So, as the owner of cyber cafe, you would be providing services of internet access to the members of the public, and the customers will be paying you for availing these services. Normally, these charges are based on time of usage of internet. A cyber cafe provide internet and data communication infrastructure to the persons. So cyber cafe business involves setting up of internet access and data communication infrastructure. The entrepreneur can set up such facilities in an appropriate space either owned by him or rented. In modern times, we see a growth in electronic services, that is e-services, the cyber cafes as the internet access points or the public interface terminals are becoming a viable business options. Some services like online job applications, online admission form submission, e-ticket booking, etc. are available on the internet. The cyber cafe owner can provide such facilities in his center also. The cyber cafe and documentation center business setup basically consists of good configuration computer systems, internet access facility, and documentation machines for commercial benefit of the business owner. When we visit cyber cafe and documentation center, we see lot of IT equipments, mainly printers, scanners, plotters, photocopy machines, computers, servers, and other hardware which the business owner sets up for providing services to its customer. People visit cyber cafe for internet related work and pay charges to the owner of the cyber cafe for the services provided. As pointed out earlier, the basic components of the cyber cafe are computer systems and internet access infrastructure. The important technical component in the cyber cafe and documentation center business is the computer system. The entrepreneur should purchase good configuration computer system for the cyber cafe. These systems can be branded or assembled depending upon the investment. Some of the recommended specifications for the computer systems are latest computer processor, at least 2.4 GHz, AMD i5 or i7, at least 250 gigabytes of hard disk drive, at least 2 GB of RAM, original operating system such as Windows, Mac, or open source operating system, such as Ubuntu, video card, sound card generally comes inbuilt on the motherboard these days, mic, headphone or speaker system, web camera, and at least 17-inch colored monitor. DVD read-write drive, keyboard, mouse, cabinet, uninterrupted power supply or the UPS. The main configuration of the server would be better than the one presented above for the browsing systems. The next important technical component is local area networking and internet modem. The network switch, cables, connectors, etc. comes as a part of local area networking. It is suggested to adopt a structured network cabling and create a local area network so that the internet access is available on multiple PCs through the proxy server. Modem is another important component. You can purchase the modem depending upon the internet service provider's recommendations. For the documentation center, the equipments are photocopy machine. There are wide varieties of photocopy machines available from different vendors, both black and white as well as colored. The photocopy machines can be connected to the computer systems also. The paper lamination machine is another important equipment for the documentation center. The main purpose of this machine is to do the paper lamination. The spiral binding machine is another machine that you can deploy for binding the documents, for example, spiral binding, comb binding, etc. The vendor from where you buy the photocopy machine shall be doing the requisite installation also. For normal operation and maintenance of this machine, the vendor of the machine will be able to guide you. So as you see from this presentation, in a cyber cafe and documentation center, mainly you procure IT equipments such as computer systems, server and associated hardware, carry out the networking, purchase the internet connection and the internet modem, and make sure that once the setup is done, the internet access is available on all the machines. Some of the hardware that is required for the cyber cafe and the documentation center is usually set up by the vendor supplying the hardware. For appropriately making the bill of material and freezing your requirement specification, you can do the market survey, which will help you in selecting the best resources required for your business. Once you set up the computer hardware, it is very important to protect the hardware also. It is necessary for you to ensure that your hardware is resilient to viruses, malware threats, spam, spyware, phishing attacks, and other intrusions. Having genuine software on your system can help you get the latest updates and the support. You can further protect the hardware of your cyber cafe by installing a firewall, antivirus, and anti-spyware program on all your computers. You can configure your computers for automatic download and installing updated security software. Regularly removing temporary files and scanning all your systems for viruses will also help you protect your hardware. Blocking malicious websites from your systems is also a step for protection of your hardware. You can protect the computer hardware of your cyber cafe by periodically deleting the history and the cookies from your machines. The success of your cyber cafe and documentation center depends to a great extent on fully functioning PCs along with the reliable internet connection. Although your budget definitely determines the setup of your business, but there are some standard basic requirements of hardware, software, and accessories for running a cyber cafe. Ideally, your computer systems of the cafe should be equipped with genuine operating systems. A faster processor in your computer will ensure faster speed and your customers will be able to run application, load pages and download files faster. Ideally, each computer in your cyber cafe should be equipped with the following software and hardware and accessories. The software should be genuine as it would provide better security and reliability. Having the commonly used software like a licensed Microsoft Office or any equivalent open software helps you to attract more customers and cater to their different needs. From the hardware side, a faster processor in your computers will ensure faster speed and your customers will be able to run the applications, load pages and download files faster. The hard disk drive of your computer should have adequate storage space to enable the storage of wide variety of software programs. Apart from that, there should be space for your customers also. If you'll have more memory on your PCs, your customers will be able to retrieve the files and download programs faster. If possible, you should opt for flat screen monitors. In most cases, the preferred monitor size is 17 to 19 inches. Though there are some instances where high-end gaming customers may be willing to pay a premium for a bigger screen. A good capacity network card would provide fast Ethernet speeds for your premium grade computers. They assist in smooth file sharing, printing, email, and promoting voice over IP as a service so that customers can call their friends or relative at a far economical rate. The video card is another important technical component of your cyber cafe computers. The visual experience when looking at pictures, playing games, or watching videos is controlled by video card. You should choose the option that provides the best experience for your customer. The quality of sound card is also very important. If your computers are having inbuilt sound card, then it gives facility to the customer so that they can plug in the microphone and the headphone and listen to the movies and music online. The optical mouse and the keyboard will make the performance more responsive and the multimedia keyboard will allow the customer to access common music and video controls from their keyboard. In this presentation, we have covered some of the technical details of the Cyber Cafe and Documentation Center. Thank you.